Are you ready to market your house cleaning business and get more customer leads on a consistent basis? Great, you're in the right spot. In this video, we're going to tell you exactly how to create a marketing plan that's going to help you get more customers on a regular basis for your house cleaning business. Now, in this video, we're going to share how to do this in a simple way. So even if you don't have a marketing degree, even if you've never really experienced or worked on anything marketing related for a business, or if your business is brand new, or even if it's been around for a while, but you're just ready to take the next leap, great, you're in the right spot. This video, we're gonna walk it through simple and straightforward so that you understand how to construct a marketing plan that's gonna help you get more customers for your house cleaning business. But first, why do we even have to do marketing in the first place? Well, here's the thing. Even if your business runs on referrals, which a lot of house cleaning businesses do, well, once you get referred to someone, a lot of people are trained to now research online before they hire or buy any type of service, right? So they might get your name, and the first thing they're going to do is just Google you and see, hey, what does their website look like? What do their reviews look like? Do they have any pictures before and after, pictures of their team, right? That all helps to make that person feel like they trust you before they hire you to do the service at their business. Now, that's the essence of marketing, is representing yourself in a way where people say, hey, I trust them and I understand why I want to hire that person for my service. That is much better than just getting a name from someone and being like, okay, here's a name of someone who does house cleaning, but I don't know anything else other than that. How am I going to trust them to hire them when I have no idea what to expect or how they'll do, right? So you're bridging the gap and making your business more trustworthy by having a straightforward marketing plan that's going to help you drive leads and get more customers to hire your business. So let's get started. Okay, if you've seen some of the other videos, you know what I'm going to say first. You need to understand your audience. Are you after busy families, working professionals, retirees, apartment buildings, commercial buildings, retail stores? Understand who you're after first and foremost. I can't stress that enough. We can't all serve everybody. The best thing you're going to do for your business is hone in on a certain neighborhood, a certain type of service like single family homes or brick and mortar retail stores. Hone in on what you can do really well and get really good at. That's going to make you the go-to for that market and help you carve out a niche of people who want you. But first, you have to understand who it is you're after. Next up, set clear goals. So you want more clients, or do you want to expand the area that you serve? Do you want to boost your online reviews? Do you want to get more higher paying clients, more wealthy clients, a wealthier area? Any goal that you set, those would all lead you in very different directions for how to market your business and where to invest your time and energy. So set very clear goals. And I also recommend don't set 10 goals. That's going to be hard to achieve. Set one goal at first. Once you kind of understand the process, then set 1 to 3 goals of exactly what it is you hope to achieve. And then that's going to help guide you on the path to achieving that goal and set up the rest of your marketing to flow towards that exact goal you're looking to achieve. Okay, next up, let's talk money. Your budget doesn't have to be huge. Start small, maybe flyers or local ads, and as you can grow your budget, right? But you have to understand how much you're willing to spend, because that is going to help you determine what it is that you can spend money on if you know how much you're willing to spend. It could be zero at first, but that's great. If you know that it's zero, then you understand what's in the box of things that you can do for marketing and what's out of the box already. If your budget's $100 or $1,000 a month, those are going to lead in very different directions to get the most bang for your buck. So set a budget. It's going to help guide all the rest of your decisions. Next up is branding. Branding is key. A catchy name, a memorable logo, and even uniforms make you stand out. And that's all about creating a lasting impression for your customers. If you don't brand your business and you just go by your name, you're harder to remember, you're harder to look up online, you're harder to find the website for, you're harder to remember to ask people about, versus if you have a name like Denver Cleaning Service, right? Like Denver Cleaning Service, right? Now it's like, oh, Denver Cleaning Service, right? I can remember denvercleaningservice.com. I can see what their uniforms look like. I know what their logo looks like on their cleaning van, and it helps you stand out, which again leaves an impression on customers and makes you one of the go-to places for hiring a cleaning service. Okay, now let's talk about digital. It doesn't have to be fancy, but a user-friendly website. Check out the link below to a Mighty Sites website. It's only $9 a month. A Facebook page, and maybe some before and after shots on Instagram. Now on your Mighty Sites website, you can put some gallery photos, you can put a little about your team, you can put a little about your rates if you want, you can connect your Instagram. link to your Facebook page. That's where people are going to want to see that you're real and interact and reviews. And then set up Google reviews too. So set up a Google business profile, get some consistent reviews there, fill out the information on your profile. That's all the tools you really need. But these tools are going to help you connect with clients where they spend a lot of their time: Facebook, Googling, Instagram, or searching and looking for a website. That covers your bases. And then just keep those simple: professional website, keep a professional Facebook page, Instagram, and Google business profile. Just keep them up to date, have reviews, interact with anyone who talks to you there, and make regular updates so they're accurate. Now, let's not forget traditional methods. So flyers, local newspaper ads, or sponsoring a Little League team can make a big impact. You're really going to stand out if you choose to invest in any of those things. Now, your budget might not be right for those yet, but don't forget them as the time comes. They're a great way to attract customers and stand out in a way that other house cleaning businesses don't. Next, amazing service leads to great reviews. So provide excellent service and then ask for reviews. Encourage happy customers to share their experience online. Online word of mouth is really powerful. So if people put reviews on your Google business profile and your Facebook page, you have a really high star rating, it's not only going to help people convert and be like, wow, this is a great business to go to, but also Google is going to see that and say, hey, let's bring up this business with a lot of great reviews when somebody's looking for house cleaning services, right? So reviews are super important for both customers and for search engines. Next up, keep track of what's working. Which ads brought in clients? What's bringing traffic to your website? Where do people say they're hearing about you or converting into customers? Track all that information. It's going to help you make smarter decisions and use that marketing budget wisely so that you're spending in the right place to get the biggest bang for your buck. So there you have it. A clean, simple marketing plan for your house cleaning business. So if you like this video, please subscribe, please like it, click on the link below to Mighty Sites if you don't have a website yet. It's the easiest way to create a simple, professional website for your house cleaning business. Until then, we'll catch you in the next video where we continue to talk about ways to expand and grow your local business.